This is Military Discount, LasVegas.com. We're going to share with you money-saving tips for Las Vegas. So starting with number 1. All right, guys, getting a room off the strip, away from the strip, is going to help you save money on hotel rates. Also, is going to help you avoid those high resort fees, and also you will not have to pay for parking because most properties off the strip, you do not have to pay for parking. Also, we're off to hack number 2. We cannot stress this enough. Know the game that you're going to gamble and play. Not all machines give a good payout. Pay attention to the top of the slot machine and know its payout. Off to hack number 3. All casinos in Las Vegas have a reward center inside their casino. Once you step inside, always approach the rewards desk and see what deals of the day they have. They may have coupons for cafes or buffets, but also get a rewards card. And that rewards card is going to offer you special deals and discounts, especially when you're gambling, and it keeps track of all your comps. Off to hack number 4. If you ever win big in the casino, say 5,000 plus, don't ever hesitate to ask the pit boss for some comps. Maybe some free lunch, free cafe, or maybe even a free room. If you win a lot of money, you can verbally ask for a free stay or maybe a free couple of days at their casino. Off to hack number 4. Alright guys, just what we've been waiting for. How to get free drinks at the Las Vegas casinos. Did you know if you put $20 in the slot machine at the bar, you can get a free drink every hour? And also, if you're winning big, you can also even get more drinks for free. Another good way is to play penny slots. Playing penny slots, you're only paying so much money and you're waiting for the waitress to come around and give you a free drink. Off to our next hack. Mostly all high-end casinos have these marketing teams that work for the nightclubs. They usually hang out by themselves and you can pinpoint them out because they're wearing nice suits. Usually they'll have a cell phone in their hand, or they'll have like these passes in their hand. They're usually just trying to stop you to give you free drink passes, or usually a free pass for their nightclub. Off to our next hack. If you must get a hotel room on the strip, consider staying at the Fremont Experience. The Fremont Experience offers cheaper hotels. Off to our next hack. There is more to Las Vegas than the Las Vegas Strip. Try going to the Red Rock Canyon and enjoy a nice hike. Make sure you bring lots of water. Keep in mind that Las Vegas is one of the hottest places on earth. That means when you go to the pool on pool day, a lot of that water is coming out of your body and you're drinking lots of alcohol. And then you'll decide to go out that night, drink alcohol, and before you know it, you're dehydrated and you pass out. You can avoid paying a high ambulance fee by drinking lots of water that day. Lots and lots of water. Our last and final hack of the day is many hotels and casinos offer military discounts on the strip. Come check us out. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.